In this video, I will show how to subscribe to an SNS topic via email. To get started, first open SNS console. Next, click Subscriptions. Next, click Create Subscription. This is the topic I want to subscribe to, as my publisher is going to publish message on the same. Note that since this is a standard SNS topic, we have various options available to choose from. For protocol, choose email. Here, we need to specify our own email ID to be able to confirm subscription. For endpoint, let me specify test@example.com. Next, click Create Subscription. Congratulations! We have successfully completed first part of subscription process. Now let me go to mailbox specified and accept subscription. As you can see in screenshot, I got an email asking me to confirm subscription. Let me go ahead and confirm subscription. Now that I have subscribed to topic, I will be able to receive all messages published on topic. Congratulations! You just learned how to subscribe to an Amazon SNS topic. Thanks for watching. Check out AWS certification books, linked in pinned comment, and suggest us topics for videos.